This is the beginning of the driving test. You come out of that little grey door there, out to your car, but they'll check your eyesight first on one of the number plates on the... They might ask you to open the bonnet and do one of the tell me questions, such as, can you explain to me how you check the oil in this vehicle, please? Or can you show me where the brake fluid reservoir is and how would you check that it's got enough brake fluid in it? Just check some of the other videos out on YouTube. Everything's there explained to you. And then the examiner will walk around the car, check that there's an MOT and things on it and that the tyres are legal. There's nothing hanging off it and it's got proper L plates and things like that. And then they'll get into the car. 90% of the time, they'll set a sat nav up and they'll say, right, okay, would you like me to explain about the test? No, it's okay. Dave's already told me exactly what to expect. And you'll come out of here, you'll through those gates, obviously the gates are going to be open, turn right on this junction right in front of us and turn left at that junction over there. So I'm just going to start the car and when you're ready, move away when ready, please. So we're coming out of here and we're turning right here and we are turning left here. Centre mirror, left mirror. Now then, look through the fence. Nothing coming, look where you're going. Look through the fence, look where you're going. Look through the fence, look where you're going.
Bear right, then turn left.
Okay, just watching these cars in case there's something coming towards us. Going to turn left.
Turn left.
Centre mirror, left
Wellington
mirror.
Place.
Indicate left. Easing off, taking your time. There we go, he stalled it. Follow the road ahead. Look across the grass. Any big trucks coming? No big trucks.
After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the second exit, A5, Llandagai Road.
Okay, so we're going right at the roundabout this time. Centre mirror, right mirror, indicate right just after that turning.
Go right on the roundabout
Easing
and
off.
take the second exit.
Right hand lane. Easing off. Look through the trees. Look where we're going. Look through the trees. Nobody there. Nobody there. That's it. I might add in an extra little bit. Left mirror, left indicator. Follow the road ahead. Now then. No, it's okay. All good. Sometimes they do a pull up on the left here, okay? Don't stop in the bus stop because you're not
After
driving a
200
bus.
yards, cross the roundabout and take the first exit, Llandagai Road. Then turn right.
Okie dokie. Centre mirror, left mirror, indicate
Cross the
left.
roundabout and take the first exit. Then
I've
turn
left her in
right.
second gear for this particular one. Watching over there. Watching him. That's all good. So we're taking the next turning right. A lot of people cut the
Turn
corner here,
right.
okay? Don't cut the corner. Centre mirror, right mirror, indicate right, slowing it down. Watching over there. Cars coming towards you have priority. Nothing coming towards us. Down this little road here. So this next turning right, along there is where they normally do a hill start.
After 100 yards,
1,
bear
2.
right, a bridge.
What we'll do is we'll do a hill start, shall we? Yeah. I
Bear
love doing a
right.
hill start in this car because it's got auto hold on it. Yeah, it's brilliant. Love it. So find somewhere safe, legal, and convenient to pull up on the left for me, please. Centre mirror, left mirror, indicate left. Let's go a little bit further away from there. I will do it about here-ish. That'll do. Stop there. Clutch down. Stop. Yes. This is just warning me. It's picking up on the grass. Move away when ready, please. Cancel indicator. Checking the mirrors. Checking the mirrors. Having a look over the mirrors. Mirrors. Move my right shoulder. Bringing that clutch up. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. And away. So easy in this car.
After 80 yards, turn right, A5.
It's just a bend.
Llandagai Road. Then, at the end of the road, turn left.
So at the 40 signs, we're turning left. Centre mirror, left mirror. Indicate left. Easing off the
Turn
gas.
left,
Touchdown.
then Cross the roundabout
That's it.
and take the first exit.
All clear, let's go. Now then, this is a straight liner roundabout. I am not going all the way in the left lane. I'm going straight
After
ahead.
100 yards, cross the roundabout and take the first
Left
exit.
indicator
A5,
now. Look
Flat
to the
Guy
right, look at
Road.
where I'm going. Look to the right, look at where I'm going. Straight line, everybody does. Let's go. Right, and this is a 40 zone, so try and get up to about 35 at least. And then by the time you get to the top of the hill, around 40, 45.
After 800 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the third exit, A55, towards Kairanarathon.
Cardinardardon. We're going right to the roundabout, exit numero 3. Right, keep an eye on him. Just keep a beady eye on everything. Just in case they do something silly, centre mirror, right mirror, indicate right. I'm gonna try this one in third. Is she gonna go?
Go right on the
Yes.
roundabout
Anybody
and
coming
take
round?
the third exit, A55,
Bounce,
towards
bounce,
Kairanarathon.
bounce. My eyesight then went from where am I going, who's coming from the right? Where am I going, who's coming from the right? Keep your right indicator on, stay in your own lane. This is a 2-lane roundabout. And next exit.
Take the
Left
exit.
mirror, left indicator, left mirror again, and once more, just for luck. Big roundabouts, I check that left mirror loads of times. Now then, normally I'd be putting my foot down, but I can't because of these. So checking my right mirror, looking at them. Right mirror, looking at them. He's moving over, yes he is. Watching them, watching them. All clear, yes it is. Yes it is, I can if I want. You don't have to do a blind spot check pulling onto a dual carriageway, but you can do one as long as it's done safely, okay? But what can happen, if you look too far to the right, your hands go with you, yeah? Now then, exit number
After
10.
1.6 miles, take the exit, 10, A55, towards Bangor.
Okay, now then, I'm still in 4th gear. I'm just assessing the situation in front of me and how far I've got to go. I'm up to 66, I've got to put it into 5th. I'm quite happy with that, because I'm coming off in a mile and a quarter. What you cannot do is sit behind a slow moving vehicle doing 50 odd if it's safe to overtake them. If it's not safe to overtake them, then sit behind the truck doing 50 odd. But if it's safe to do so, you must overtake. Now then, junction 10, there's the sign, the little black number 10, yeah? White 10 on a black background, I should say. Coming off on the next
After 800
exit.
yards, take the exit, 10, A55.
So just easing
towards
off the
Bangor.
gas. Gonna pop a left indicator on now, in the region of that sign there, the 3 marks, yeah?
Take the exit, 10.
Now then. Coming off on the next exit. Just going to start braking. Start braking. Cancel that indicator. Now then,
After
it wants me to go
300
left of the
yards,
roundabout.
Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit,
1,
A4087,
2.
towards Kairanarathon.
What does that big red sign say there? There's a bit
Go
of a
left on
pileup.
the roundabout and take the first exit.
Now then, I'm getting as close to that white line as I dare without touching it, okay? You're not really supposed to cross a solid white line, are you? A lot of people do here, but I'm not going to. But I did touch it gently. That's it. We're going left. Down into 1st gear. Look over there, look over there. I'm going blue car. White van. That's a white van. Silver van. Big gap after that silver van. There we go. And off the brake. A little bit of gas and away. National speed limit applies signs. Get your foot down. Up into fourth gear. Just keeping an eye on that car over there. Just in case he does something silly. Now then, I can see by that black top bar there, in 3/4 of a mile, we're turning right at the roundabout. I see brake lights, so I'm off the gas. If you see brake lights, it normally means there's something going on, okay? Is it just traffic? Is it? No! I don't want to be stuck in traffic. No. I wonder if anybody will comment below. Is it okay to take a sip of water while you're driving? All depends on the situation, doesn't it? Yeah? I'm in first gear. I'm doing 5 miles an hour. I got a nice big gap in front of me. I'd say that was okay. Now then, in slow moving traffic like this, I like to keep about 2 car lengths. Yeah? I like to see the back tyres and some tarmac in front of me. And if we come to a stop, if you've got tyres and tarmac in front of you, 1.5 car lengths, say. If for some reason the car in front stalls and can't get started again, it's easy to get around them. Or if there's a blue light emergency, an ambulance or something, if everybody leaves a little gap in front of them, everybody's got room to move over a little bit to let the ambulance through. We're going right at the roundabout, 3rd exit. Tell me, my dear. Any second now.
After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the 3rd exit, A487.
Yes, dear. Where am I going to indicate? Now we're going very slowly, so I'm not going to indicate until after that turning there, the little restaurant there. So I'm just going to clutch down into first. I'm going to be in the right hand side similar to him, but I'm not going to cross that centre line. Should I? Could I? Yes, I can. Look at that. Centimetre right, I'm going to indicate right. That's it. And away. We're going right at the roundabout.
Go right on the roundabout and take the 3rd exit, A487.
Look to the right, look at where I'm going. Red car's being blocked by the blue car. I can go. Third exit. Coming off on this one, sometimes cars over there get a little bit pushy.
Take the exit, then
keep an eye on them.
Right.
That's it. Keeping in the left lane. Now then, 700 yards, top of this hill, we're turning right. There's been a lot of accidents on this junction. Stay in the left lane. When you get to the 3rd sign, the big one, centimetre right, mirror indicate right.
After 400 yards, turn right, Penharrow Road.
Centimetre right, mirror indicate right, stay in the left lane. Easing off the gas a little bit now. Look for the big arrow on the floor. Easing off over into that
turn right
filter lane. Closer to the 2 white lines on the right than the left line, okay? It's human nature want to steer away from that car coming towards you. However, if there's a big truck or something passing us on that side, look at the distance between us and that wall and that lamppost. They don't have much space. Now then, this is telling me that we're going straight ahead of the roundabout.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout and take the 1st exit, Penharrow Road.
Okay.